Aesthetic Clinic to bring to all of you a live sneak peek on what's going on in this clinic. And I'm super excited. For those who have problems or issues related to aesthetics, right? Today is the best time for you to find out what are some of the treatments and services that's best suitable for your condition. Now, Imago is the definition of the state of maturity, using the state-of-art beauty treatment to transcend you into a beautiful butterfly. Now, here we are back with medically trained professionals. Every individual will have a customized program at affordable pricing. Now, this Imago Medical Aesthetic Clinic evolves to deliver sought-after aesthetics, wellness, health programs to satisfy every customer's unique needs. Well, viewers, are you right now with me watching this live streaming? Okay, let's see. Okay, what's going on in this clinic? Every customer's unique needs. All right, let's see. Okay, viewers, if you are watching this live streaming right now, you can say hi to me in the comment section. Yep, I hope that you guys can support me. And of course, viewers, if you would like to book an appointment, or you would like to actually purchase any products that we feature today, all you need to do is click on the link in the pinned comment that will lead you to the WhatsApp chat. But of course, if you like to visit this clinic, right, we are located at Amonkyo Hub, Hex 03-26B. Yep, this is where I am right now at Imago Medical Aesthetic Clinic. So, viewers, quickly say hi to me in the comment section so that I can say hi to you guys back as well. Yep. Okay, and for those with skin condition issues, this is definitely the live streaming for you to watch because, later on, I will speak to the doctor here. Okay, and today we're going to feature health and wellness aesthetic treatments, and on top of that, skincare products that will go hand in hand with the treatment. So make sure you guys stay with me throughout this live streaming so they can find out more. And if you have any questions with regards to your skin condition, you can always, comment right in the comment section so that, if I have a chance, I can actually help you ask the doctor. All right, now today let's find out what exactly happens in a typical day of the aesthetic doctor. I'm very curious. I always wish that I, study hard. I did biology so that I can become a doctor. But I didn't, I chose physics and chemistry. That's why I'm not a doctor. But it's okay, Today I'm going to speak to a doctor. He is inside the room. Yeah, come. Follow me. Okay, I'm going to knock at his door to see whether or not he allows me to go in.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, he's inside. Okay. Come, guys. Follow me. Oh, yeah.
Hello.
The doctor is inside. Come, guys. Follow me. Hello, doctor.
Hi, Elaine. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hello.
How do I address you?
Dr. Xiao with
Dr.
you. Yeah.
Xiao is with me right now. Hi. Yes. Okay, Dr. Xiao, what kind of services do you actually provide in this clinic?
Okay, so we are a medical aesthetics clinic. We deal with a lot of different problems.
Okay.
So some of the treatments that we have is to certain features on the face. So for example, any eye related issues like droopy eyelids.
Oh, droopy eyelids. I have.
Dark eye circle,
The eye circles. Okay.
and then the nose. We do nose thread lifting. And then also in terms of skin quality, we do
skin quality in what sense?
Improvement of, for example, acne scars, pigmentation problems, pore size, and things like that.
I see. Yeah, these are like some of the common problems, right? Yeah. Okay. So, doctor, I was telling my viewers, right, that I regretted not studying biology.
Oh.
Yeah. I was thinking like, life as a doctor seems to be quite good, right? So how do you start your day? Like, what does your day comprise of?
So in the medical aesthetic clinic, normally when we come in the morning, we look through the day's appointments.
Okay.
We will see what kind of clients we are expecting and we will prepare for them.
I see.
So normally we go by appointment base from 11 to 8 p.m.
11 to 8?
Yes.
So you work until 8 at night?
Sometimes with or without lunch break if we are on the days that are busy. Yeah.
Okay, so when you say your appointment starts at 11, right?
Yeah.
You don't come at...
we come before that.
Like what time?
So we come about 10:30
10:30
to prepare to prepare the patient notes.
I see.
And then we need to check the machines because we have a number of machines.
I see.
Need to make sure that they are operating correctly, and also we have to make sure the stocks are in. Yeah.
So sometimes you go without lunch breaks.
Sometimes, yes. So like the recent Chinese New Year, we had to extend throughout.
So there's like peak periods throughout as well, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So most of your clients, a lot of people like to look good just before festive seasons, I guess?
Festive season and also during regular days, many people come for their general maintenance. Because if you wait too long a time in between, sometimes it may be difficult to get the improvement that you want in a short period.
I see. So usually on a day-to-day basis, how many patients do you normally see?
It can range from, it actually depends more on what kind of treatments that they are doing.
Okay.
So some of the patients who are doing a quick treatment like a laser, we can slot in about just half an hour for each client. Sometimes if they are doing a longer treatment such as a facelifting procedure, then it will take longer. So on average, we have about 5, and the maximum so far is around 18 to 20.
Per day?
Yes.
18 to 20. Wow. Okay, now I need to think. Okay, maybe it's the right choice. I didn't become a doctor. I need to see 18 to 20. Okay, all right, let's see. All right, oh wow, we have, our viewers saying hi to us right now. Joanne Bong, hello, good afternoon. And Ming Huang Tan as well. He says, hello. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Oh, you guys, thank you so much. Thanks for liking and sharing this live streaming. And viewers, say hi to Dr. Xiao as well. Right now I'm with Dr. Xiao at Imago Medical Aesthetic Clinic. Yeah, because I'm super curious, like what goes on in the life of a doctor. Yeah, I was like having so many thoughts about being a doctor, but I didn't because I didn't study biology last time. Okay, Han Wei says hi. Chan Tai Yong says hi and like and share. Yes, guys, continue to like and share this live streaming so that more and more people can benefit. Yes. Okay, guys, sharing is caring. Yeah. Okay. Now, Dr. Xiao. So all these patients that come to you, right? Because you mentioned about 18 to 20. What are some of the common issues or skincare conditions do they face such that they come to you?
Okay. So in Singapore, normally we have a hot climate. A lot of clients, they come in with things like dry skin, oily skin, acne outbreak.
Okay.
And then towards the 30, 40 years old, we start to see sagginess, pigmentation starting to come out, pores. So usually a combination, a variety. But the most common ones are your pigmentation, pore size issues, dry or oily skin. And some clients, they want a feature enhancement, such as apple cheeks, higher nose bridge, chin, things like that.
I see. Okay. So, doctors, you offer a lot of services in this clinic, right? How do you decide what services best suit this person?
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe this person come in with a lot of problems. Yeah. So how do you decide which one first?
Yeah.
What's the priority?
I think there is usually when we see the client and they come in with a problem, based on my experience, one of the differentiating factor is whether the client already knows what they want to do. So aesthetic medicine is slightly different versus let's say if you go to a hospital. So when you go there, you don't really know. But in terms of aesthetic, either because they have seen the advertisement or they see the results from their friend's treatment, then they will come in and say, hey, I want to try this laser, for example, because my friend has done it. So the two groups are grouped like so, whether they know what they want or they don't know what they want. They come in and they want suggestions.
So how do you handle like these two groups? For those who know what they want, say, oh, I saw my friend has this very nice nose bridge, and I come to you and say, I want to do this as well. So how do you handle them? Do you go with their wishes or you have another like approach?
So in my approach to the clients, the main things that I will look out for, the two main things is safety and the effectiveness of the treatment that they want to do.
I see.
So first of all, you must make sure that it's safe for them. And then you explore a little bit on why they want to do that particular treatment. So if they really want to try it and it's safe, then we discuss what are the expected results that they can achieve, and whether they will they are okay with the downtime, for example, whether it suits their skin type. Then these are usually within this group, they are usually the patients who they are really the clients who know and have done the particular treatment before. So they know what they want. Then the other group is the one that don't know.
They don't know what
but then
they
their
want.
friend told them you should do this. So then you have to explain a little bit.
Why?
So the risks and benefits.
I see. Okay. And Dr. Xiao, just now we were running a poll. You were asking our viewers what kind of skin they have. And we gave them a choice like dry skin, oily skin, combination skin. So the result is out. 75% says they have dry skin. Wow. 0% says they don't have, basically nobody has oily skin. And 25% mentioned that they have combination skin. Did this result surprise you, Dr. Xiao?
Actually,
it surprised me,
a little bit, because nobody say they got oily skin. But those three,
maybe we have all the more slightly mature viewers at this time.
Depends on genetics, lifestyle, occupation.
That's right. But I think I have combination skin. What do you think?
Very common.
Very common.
Very common.
Okay.
So T-zone oily and then the cheek area dry.
Correct. And then
so that adds another level of difficulty and challenge as well. So you got to really customize and tailor the treatment.
Correct. Because okay, viewers, comment if you have any skin problems in the comment section. Since right now I'm with Dr. Xiao. All right, you can ask questions and then I can ask Dr. Xiao to answer your questions. See, right now I'm asking Dr. Xiao, like, what can I do with my combination skin? Okay. All right. Now, Dr. Xiao, you mentioned like there's a few common skin problems, right? Like, for example, pigmentation. So pigmentation-wise, what kind of treatment would you recommend?
Okay.
Yeah, because this is a very common skin problem, especially for people who doesn't like to apply sunscreen. Then we start, usually we don't see the effect like immediately, like, pigmentation coming up. But a few years later, you start to see pigmentation, or you call them, freckles and things like that.
So in terms of the pigmentation, for the treatments that we have is very clear cut. Laser is the best medical aesthetic treatment. But of course, that is a complement to your daily sunblock and your pigmentation creams.
I see.
But then when it comes to laser, the difficult thing is because laser is a very broad term. There are many different kinds of laser in the market. And different pigmentation requires different kinds of laser. So you first got to see what is the pigmentation, classify it, and then from there you develop and you recommend the treatment.
I see. Okay, Dr. Xiao, I was like peeping around looking at your room, right? I see like different machines there. There's one called laser, something.
Laser optic. Yes.
Okay, yeah. Is that the one for pigmentation?
That one is our Q-switch laser machine.
Okay.
So it features 2 wavelengths.
Okay.
And 532 and 1064. The particulars usually will bore most people, but what they represent is just the different depths that they can target on the skin.
Different depths, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So
and
it's
then,
good
for the laser, it can treat different pigmentation problems. So the common ones that we see are melasma, freckles. Sometimes we do mole removal as well, but mole removal we use that one.
Which one?
CO2, the one beside.
Beside it, the one in the center.
That's the CO2 machine.
CO2 machine.
Which we also use for skin resurfacing as well. For acne scars.
Okay.
And then the machine beside that, you can see is anti-matte. This is a machine, it's a radio frequency machine. What it basically does is it helps to tighten and firm up the skin.
I see. Okay.
So these are the three most common
machines. Okay. And you can actually target like a lot of like skin condition and all, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. Now we are running a poll again. Yes. Okay. And the poll basically says, what bothers me the most? So what bothers you the most? Is it large pores, pigmentation, dark eye circles, and or sagging skin? Sagging skin. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think for me it's like everything. You have like all option. Oh no. Okay, so guys, just choose the most the problem that bothers you the most. Let me think. What bothers me the most?
Actually, medical aesthetic sometimes is a bit addictive. So
it's true.
Once you see one problem, you treat that, then you see improvement.
Then you want to treat another problem, right? Yeah. So I'm thinking like which one will bother me the most? Okay, let's see. All right, we have Jenny Pao. Jenny Pao says hi. Pat Chiang says hello, like and share already. Yes, fantastic. Tony Tan as well. Okay. He tagged 2 friends. Okay. And ZHU. Okay. Says hi. Yeah, great. You know, guys, if you have any skin problems, all right, let us know so that I can ask Dr. Xiao. Okay, results is out. Dr. Xiao, 50% says large pores. 0% says pigmentation. Okay, basically nobody has pigmentation problem, our viewers. Okay, 25% dark eye circles and 25% says sagging. So let's see. The most problems that people face is large pores. So Dr. Xiao, large pores. So which machine or which treatment would you recommend?
Wow.
Large pores.
Everything can do it.
Everything.
So that's the challenge that we face also. So because for a particular problem, virtually any treatment that you do can have some sort of improvement.
I see.
So normally how we recommend to clients is we group all their problems together.
Okay.
And then we see we go through every treatment that they can do. And then we will help them, we will guide them to choose what is the best for them. Because there are things like you have to consider, like their occupation, whether they go under the sun, their recovery, and whether any other medical problems. So you have to do all this, and then you discuss with the client.
I see.
Yeah. So for large pores, for instance, usually it's because the skin is dry.
Okay. Skin is dry?
Skin is dry.
Really? I keep thinking that large pores is due to like oily skin.
That can be, but most of the time it's because of dry skin. Or sometimes it's, a lot of times it's genetics also.
Genetic, I see. Okay.
So there's so, you know.
So doctor, usually can we see results in one treatment?
Depends on what treatment you do. So
depends, is it? Okay.
Broadly speaking, treatments
yeah.
that are a little bit more painful
will have
and have a little bit of downtime will give you better results.
Oh,
so for instance,
CO2.
if you can see behind us, We have some of the fillers, the injectables that we do, like Rejuven, Profilo.
Yes.
These are for skin repair and regeneration. So usually when people hear, oh, I got to do injection, I don't want. But for these kind of injectable treatments, we deposit the DNA or deposit the hyaluronic acid directly into the skin.
I see.
So you see the results are much faster and more significant as well.
Alright, okay.
Of course, when we do any treatment, we always have to let our clients know that because individuals respond to the different treatments differently. So there's always this very small chance that a particular treatment which works very well for your friend may not have any effect on you at all. So it can be quite disappointing when some clients after they pay so much to do the particular treatment, then from there you have to see, you have to tailor and change the treatment plan.
And the good thing is here in this Imago Medical Aesthetic Clinic, right? Dr. Xiao will actually sit with you and then go through a consultation with you so that to better understand your skin condition and to tailor a customized program.
Yes.
Okay, now Dr. Xiao, we have some comments here. Kath Tan says, sure, must get doctor's help on my pigmentation and saggy jawline. Saggy jawline. We haven't talked about saggy jawline. What would you like recommend for saggy jawline?
Saggy jawline. So the common treatments that we have either if you have if you don't want downtime, you're okay with gradual improvement, we will recommend radio frequency treatment, HIFU treatment. Those you can go back to work immediately with no downtime. If you want, if you have saggy skin because of volume loss, then we have to do volume replacement with fillers.
I see.
And then for clients who are a bit more daring and want faster, better result, then you can go for the thread lifting.
Okay. All right. Yes. Another viewer says, Ling Hui Yi says, I would like to do nose thread. So you offer that, right? Okay, so viewers, if you are thinking of any of the treatment, right, if you want to book an appointment, if you want to get any of the skincare products which we will feature in a short while, it's really simple. All you need to do is click on the link in the pinned comment that will lead to the WhatsApp chat so that you can book your appointment for a consultation with Dr. Xiao. Or if you like, you can actually walk in as well. You can do walk in, Alright, but of course, walk in depends on availability, I guess. Yeah, we are located at AMK HUB, Hex 03-26B. That's right. Okay. Let's see. Andy Lim says, I like to look younger. Can. Does Dr. Xiao, Cammy Leong says, does Dr. Xiao do nose threading? Dying to have a nose bridge.
Actually, nose threading is one of the most popular treatment. So on average per week, we do about...
How many?
Can be 5, can be 30.
Wow!
So depends
5 or...
Okay. And for nose, the two areas that we normally target is either the bridge or the tip.
I need to do it.
You can do.
I can do also. Okay. Good. Okay, later we talk. Okay. All right. Now, Dr. Xiao, are there any newer treatments? What is your newest treatment here in this clinic?
Newest treatment wise, actually we are constantly upgrading the machines.
Oh, good. I like
depending on depending on we will try the machine out first and then we will choose the best one.
I see. Okay.
But the most popular treatment, one of them is our signature 4-step laser treatment.
4 steps?
4-step laser.
Wow. Because normally I hear only laser is just laser. I didn't know there's 4 steps. It's the newest treatment in this.
The reason why we do a 4-step treatment is so that we can prepare the skin properly prior to the laser. And after the laser, we want the skin to be properly, to have a proper recovery. Because sometimes the laser may be a bit hot. You may cause a bit of micro injury on the skin. So we want to provide the 3rd and 4th step. We will provide hydration and the LED therapy to help in the recovery.
I see. And we call this the Imago Signature Laser and Light Therapy treatment, right? Okay. How much to book for this treatment, Dr. Xiao?
From what I understand, the first trial is $48.
$48. Wow, it's worth it. So, without further ado, I would love to take a look at this treatment. Okay, come. Let's take a look at the. Are you going to demo for us, Dr. Xiao?
Yeah. We will cleanse the
faces.
face
Okay. Oh yes, step 1. Okay, so let's take a look at the step 1 of this Imago signature laser and light therapy treatment. So step 1 is cleansing, right? Okay, so cleansing. So cleansing wise, it helps to actually remove impurities and dead skin cells. Okay, can we take a look at the products that we are going to use for the cleansing? Can you show to my audience? Because I think they are curious to find out more. All right, this is the one that we're going to use for cleansing. All right, so this actually helps to remove the dead skin cells, all the dirt and oil from the skin, right? Okay, thank you. All right, so let's take a look at the cleansing set right now. Okay. Are you feeling good?
Yes.
Yes. All right, thumbs up. Okay, so viewers, if you visit Imago Medical Aesthetic Clinic and you go for this 4-step Imago signature laser and light therapy, this is the first step you will go through, cleansing. It's very important that you clean, okay, the face is thoroughly cleansed. All right, Dr. Xiao, does the treatment hurts or not?
For laser treatment, laser treatments usually they don't hurt.
Okay.
You may feel a bit of warmth and some prickly sensation during the treatment.
Like rubber band snapping on your face?
Less than that.
Oh, less than that.
like someone tapping on your face.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's fine. I mean, it's very comfortable if that's the case, right? It's like a mini massage. Yeah.
And also for the settings, we can adjust to the patient's comfort level as well.
I see.
So if somebody feels that it's too prickly, we may reduce the power, so that they are more comfortable.
Actually, the higher the power, the better.
In some sense, but sometimes if you go too high, the patient doesn't want to come back, then it's not good.
Okay. Got it. Okay, wow. Thorough cleansing of the face. That's very important because it helps to remove the oil, the dirt, impurities, as well as dead skin cells. Okay. Yep. So she's feeling very comfortable. She's going to fall asleep soon. It's so nice to have somebody cleaning your face. Okay, this is step 1 of Imago signature laser and light therapy treatment. Okay. Yep. And this is not offered in other clinics, only at Imago Medical Aesthetic Clinic. Okay. Step 1 is almost done. One more. Okay. So one more step, is it? Okay.
So the reason why we cleanse the face prior is mostly to remove the impurities and dirt or makeup that the client has on. This will help the laser to better penetrate the skin, and the result will be better after that.
Okay. So viewers, if you have any questions with regards to this treatment, you can always ask us in the comment section. And this is the best time to ask because Dr. Xiao is with me right now. He will be able to answer all your questions. Yep. Okay, we have some questions here. What is the Lin Hui Yi asks, what's the downtime for nose and face threading? Okay. Yep. Yeah, this is not related to this treatment, but Dr. Xiao.
Nose and face threading usually for nose threading is very fast because there's just one entry point at the tip of the nose. So it's like a small pimple after the treatment.
I see.
You may get a bit of swelling and bruising after that, but usually
you can cover with makeup, right?
You can cover with makeup, and now with the mask on,
nobody can tell also that you've done something during lunchtime.
And it's very fast also. It takes about 5 to 15 minutes. So you'll be fully awake, but at the same time, your nose will be anesthetized, so you can't feel anything.
I see. So after 15 minutes later, your nose would be very beautiful. Okay, all right. Now let's get back to our. This going to be step 2 already, right? Step 2, and that's where Dr. Xiao will need to do his magic. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, Dr. Xiao will be using the toning laser. Alright, now this toning laser actually targets pores, pigmentation, lighten, acne scar, even out skin tone as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see the demo right now. This is exactly what you will go through if you come for this signature treatment. Yep.
So for this machine, maybe I'll just show you.
Yep.
We have a number of different hand pieces. So you see different colors that we use for the laser.
Yep.
So the reason being so is because each hand piece has a particular use. It can shoot out laser of a different wavelength or different pattern.
I see.
So based on the client, we will need to adjust how we approach, and then we will choose the best settings for them.
I see, okay.
So for example, the one that I'll be starting off with is this one. This one is good for general toning. Helps to give a rejuvenation and tone out the skin.
I see, okay. So that means after you finish with this probe, you call it probe, is it?
Handpiece.
Handpiece. Then you will switch to another handpiece.
Correct, based on the skin that you see.
I see. Yes. Okay.
So for our subject here, you can see that the skin generally is not too bad.
Yes.
Maybe some pigmentation here and there.
Yeah.
So we'll start with a toning handpiece, followed by a pigmentation handpiece.
Oh, this for pigmentation. Okay. All right. Okay. So, how long will this whole toning laser take?
Normally the procedure will take about 5 to 15 minutes. But for today's demo, we will do a faster version.
Okay,
to give you a
just to
idea.
show everyone how it's like, right?
So I'll just do on this side of the face.
Okay, can half the face.
我们开始啦。
Alright, yes. And basically there is no redness. It's very comfortable. Yep. You know, when you come for this treatment, you just need to lie down there, and Dr. Xiao will just use this laser and go over your, face. For this is the general toning purposes.
Yes.
Yep. Okay. I can see that our she's like lying down there, very comfortable. I think she's falling asleep soon as well. Okay. Yeah, so for this toning laser, it targets pores, pigmentation, lighten, acne scars, even out skin tone. Yep. And of course, viewers, if you are interested in this Imago signature laser and light therapy, it is, for first trial, it's going at $48. Yep. Okay. This is a 4-step treatment. Just now, what we did was cleanse the face, alright, to remove impurities and dead skin cells. Right now, what you're seeing is that we are doing the toning laser. Alright, and Dr. Xiao, you increase the frequency, is it?
No, so there is, on top of the different hand pieces that we can choose, there are different settings and waveforms that we can choose for the particular hand piece as well.
I see.
So that further allows us to target the different skin problem and adjust the setting and the power based on the patient's comfort level.
I see. Alright. Okay. Yep. And it's very comfortable for the patient. She's just like, just lying down there, enjoying the treatment. And this is what you guys will enjoy as well when you come for this 4-step Imago signature laser and light therapy. Okay. Yep. Okay. And you're gonna change the handpiece now?
Yep.
Okay, you're gonna change it to the one that is targeted at pigmentation.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So the feel wise is still the same, right? There's no pain.
The feel wise is largely similar.
Roughly similar. Okay. All right. Okay. And let's go. Oh wow.
So you can see the laser guide.
Yes.
That one will help to guide us how to where we are actually shooting. Usually for face, a proper treatment we will do about 3 to 5 passes.
I see. I see. Around the same area, is it?
For the whole face.
For the whole face. Okay. For the whole face. All right. Okay. All right, and this is step 2, where Dr. Xiao is using the toning laser. And this toning laser actually targets pores, pigmentation, lighten acne scars, even out skin tone. Okay, this is step 2. All right. And usually, how many times should a patient come for this treatment to see like results?
For laser, usually with one session, you can immediately you can see the face brighter.
Yeah, I see it
and
like
clearer.
brightening, you know. Yeah.
But for pigmentation wise, sometimes depending on the different characteristics, most of the time we will say it takes about 6 to 8 sessions.
6 to 8 sessions. Okay.
Before you put your before and after, and people go like, whoa. Yeah.
Okay. And how often can we come for this treatment?
For lasers, usually we will encourage about twice a month.
Twice a month?
At the beginning for the treatment phase.
Sure.
So you come every 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks.
And then once your skin condition has improved, we can usually do it once a month.
Oh, once a month. I see. Okay. All right. Okay. I see the skin brighten up already. Yeah. Yes. Okay, and of course, this is step 2, right? We are done with step 2.
Yes, so now we are done with step 2. Okay. After the laser treatment, usually we will be followed by the LED light. We shine the LED light to help the recovery.
Okay, I'm going to do this serum infusion. Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to show the serum infusion first. Yeah. Okay. Serum infusion, that is very interesting. I have not seen this before.
So sometimes after laser treatment, some clients will say that their face feels hot. Or if the face, if it is too sensitive, it can become red. That's when the serum infusion actually helps. It actually provides a hydration for the skin. It actually helps to soothe and calm down the skin as well.
I see. So you're going to use a machine to do serum infusion?
Yes. So the machine actually helps to emit energy, which helps the serum to infuse to infuse deeper into the skin.
I see. Okay.
And the serum that we use is HA vitamin serum.
Vitamin serum.
So the HA is hyaluronic acid. That's the one that helps with hydration. And
what kind of vitamins?
Vitamin, usually we will put vitamin C, which will help with the repair and recovery.
Whitening, okay. Yeah. All right, so this is serum infusion, and this actually helps to promote healing, hydration, and moisturizes the skin. Okay. All right. And this is the probe you're going to use. Okay. How long will this process take? Serum infusion.
Serum infusion usually about 5 to 10 minutes or so.
Oh, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So, as a whole, how long will this 4-step treatment take then?
We normally allocate about half an hour.
Half an hour.
Including the cleansing, the laser, the serum, and the LED light.
I see. Alright, so viewers, if you want to come for this treatment, right, it's really simple. You come during lunchtime or after work. Just leave aside half an hour for this treatment. And then you get beautiful skin. Why not, right? Okay.
So the peak period that we see clients book for laser is usually their lunchtime. When they are in between work. Or after work, where they come about 6, 7 o'clock.
6, 7 o'clock. Okay. Alright. And then after that, what product are you using?
The gold.
Oh, okay. Which we're going to showcase in a short while, right? Okay. Yeah. So this is the product that's being applied on the face right now for the serum infusion step. Okay, so this is repeated again All right, on the other side of the face. So this will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, and that's where you can relax, chill.
I think she fall asleep already.
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, we are like so envious.
Sometimes after I do so many, then I'll be like, maybe I should lie down and
you should
try
be the one,
I must
there,
teach them to do for me.
Yeah. Okay. So nice. How come you all never ask me to sleep down here and be the model? Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, almost done? Yep. Okay. Now, next step, Dr. Xiao.
So the last step we do is the LED treatment. LED light treatment. So I think during the circuit breaker period, you might have seen a lot of people buying LED masks that they wear at home.
Yes.
So the kind of
I have one also.
The one that complements your skin. This is just a stronger and more powerful version of that. Essentially, the theory behind it is that with the different light waveforms, it helps to combat certain skin conditions.
I see.
So, for instance, there is the blue light, which we will usually use for clients with acne.
Blue lights for acne.
Then that one will help to kill the bacteria, regulate the acne. And for clients with very sensitive or red skin after treatment, we usually recommend using the red light.
The red light.
Which will promote healing.
Okay.
But if you can, when you're at home and you use those masks, you can use all the different kinds too.
Okay. So those masks at home still cannot replace the, this kind of treatment in the clinic, right? It's more like maintenance.
Correct. Yeah, because by nature of the machine is much more powerful.
Yes. Yep. So viewers, yes, some of you may have the LED light mask at home, but we still this is still a more powerful machine in that sense. Yep. Okay. Alright. And this actually helps to enhance skin repair after laser, promote skin rejuvenation, and reduce future acne outbreaks. Okay. And this is the pink light.
This one is a combination. So the good thing about the machine is that we can adjust the intensity of the different lights.
Okay.
So then the client will be inside the room, either listening to music or just resting for the next 15 minutes.
I see. Yeah. All right, Dr. Xiao, I want to ask you, for this 4-step Imago signature laser and light therapy treatment, right? Who would you recommend, this treatment? What kind of,
Actually, a lot of people are suitable for the treatment. There's no, for most clients basically. There are some groups of clients that we may not recommend, either because of the skin color. For laser, when we do laser, we try to avoid for people who have very dark skin tone, just because the skin may react differently to the lasers.
I see.
Some people who have open wounds or active pars, or those we might wait for that to recover
first before going for this laser as well, right?
But otherwise, for the laser, people with acne problems, pigmentation problems, large pores, many variety, we can use the laser.
I see. Saggy skin will be something else, right?
Saggy skin, laser does help to promote a little bit of collagen, but it wouldn't be the first treatment that I recommend, simply because the rate of collagen stimulation is too slow. Correct.
Okay, so fillers will be a better choice.
Your
thread
lifting, your radio frequency machine.
Yes. Okay.
Your Profilo injectable.
Right. Okay. Now for this treatment, right, is there any age limit?
Age limit wise, Lower age limit, usually for clients
That
who,
younger
like teenagers with acne problems, during their
can they come
puberty,
here for this?
they can come, but we will encourage the parents to know that they are doing the treatment first. So sometimes if they are too young, they may not understand what they are going for. So that is for the young customers. There's no upper age limit. So we have clients who are 82, 80 plus who still come for lasers.
I see. Okay. All right. And viewers, we are running a poll right now. So do you still get acne after puberty? It's yes or no. So choose your answer, vote, so that we can get your, we see what's the majority like, do you still get pimples after puberty? I think most people will, right? Yeah,
less.
Lesser,
still have, but maybe lesser. Just because the hormonal changes.
Yeah. Because I remember when I was like younger, when I was in junior college.
Usually
the breakout was like quite bad because there's stress and then
late nights,
and then you're at that puberty stage, right? And then your skin will become like a bit havoc. Okay, how about mask knee?
Mask knee, quite common now.
Yes, because everyone's like wearing mask, right?
It keeps rubbing and irritating
the skin.
And sometimes they actually you forget to wash your mouth, then the bacteria can stay
accumulate there, right? And then you get like
you sweat.
Acne, especially around the jawline and the chin area as well. So you see a lot of patients coming in with this problem.
Mostly the younger crowd actually.
So what advice would you give to this group of people?
First, you have to see whether it's really the mask knee. But if that's the case, you actually treat it the same as your normal acne. But you want to explore whether if the mask, if you try changing the mask, you put a protective layer to cover.
Alright. Okay, and Dr. Xiao, is this like a one-time treatment? That means I come one time, then that's it, good enough? Or do I need like come a few times for this treatment?
You come one time, you can see some result, but we normally say you come every 2 to 4 weeks to maintain the benefits.
I see. So it's like a long-term thing?
In a sense, because as we age, the hormonal changes, you get daily UV exposure. So the laser, while you may not have any active pigmentation, it helps to prevent new ones from forming.
I see. Okay. And we were using like machines, right, just now for the laser toning. And right now we're using this LED machine as well. How often do you guys like upgrade your machine?
Upgrade actually,
or any R&D?
We are monthly, we will look around to see because we have different vendors, then they will let you know what are the latest technology. There are medical education programs that we attend, then they will bring out the new technology as well. But on top of that, because safety and efficacy is the two big issues, we need to make sure that the machines that we have, they are safe, they have been approved by HSA and ideally FDA also.
I see.
And then
all right. Okay, results out already. And oh wow, 100% says yes, they still get acne after puberty.
Wow. So come
very
for
common.
the laser treatment.
All right. So if you have acne issues, pigmentation issues, this is something that you can consider. This is the Imago signature laser and light therapy. 4 steps. First trial is going at $48.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So Dr. Xia, what are the more common misconceptions with regards to aesthetic treatments?
Misconceptions?
Is there like any misconceptions?
I think many different people come with different ideas on what they can achieve with medical aesthetics. Some clients, they are scared that the result is too unnatural. But as you can see with laser and machine treatments, usually you get a very natural result.
All right. And of course, will this make your work as an aesthetic doctor like difficult? Because, you know, people come in with certain, you know, what do you call it? They come in with a certain mindset. Yeah. Does it make, you know, your work a bit more challenging in that sense? They say, oh yeah, no, once I do this this treatment, right, I will definitely get this result immediately. For example, yeah.
I think it's a challenge because of the preconceptions that people have.
Yes.
But to me, what I've learned is that aesthetic treatment is for different people, it means different things. So beauty is to you may mean something that is entirely different from someone else. So I think that makes the work fun because you really need to know the person sitting in front of you to see how did they come to realize this problem, what's their background, what are they thinking about it, what kind of expectations they have out of the treatment. So that is the joy in getting to know people. But at the same time, it's procedural work. So I like to work with my hands. You get to see immediate results sometimes with the things you do. So that makes it very satisfying. So like every face is like a painting lah. So you do the painting and you consistently improve it.
Okay. All right. Is the LED?
I think almost time.
Almost time. Yep. Okay. All right. So this is the like final step, right? Done already? We are done
After
already?
this, we will put on the sunblock,
sunblock
and moisturizer. Then they are good to go.
Okay. So sunblock is very important, because after this treatment, you'll be going out. You want to protect your skin from the harmful rays of the sun, Okay, let's take a look at this final step whereby we apply a sunscreen to protect the skin from the UV rays. And Imago Medical Aesthetic Clinic actually goes through this extra mile to include it in their procedure, so that when you go out, you know that your skin is fully protected from the harmful rays of the sun. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Dr. Xiao, we have a question. Joanne Bong asks, do doctor also do surgery for phase 2?
Surgery we don't do at the clinic.
Okay.
If you're talking about cosmetic surgery, that one usually requires a sedation, which will need to be done in an operating theatre. What we do in the clinic mostly are non-invasive treatments that do not require general sedation.
Okay. All right. Okay, come, let's focus and take a look at the results of the treatment. Yeah. Wow. I see that the skin has actually brightened up and it looks clearer as well, Yes, comparing to the two sides. Yes, this side is so much clearer, brighter compared to the other side. Okay, because what we did was we did laser.
The laser toning.
Yes, laser toning on this side of the face. So you can tell actually the difference. Okay, good. Maybe she might want to do the other side later on. Okay, all right. Now, doctor, maybe we can take a seat back here. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right. We asked a lot of questions with regards to all the treatments, right? But I actually want to know, this is my own personal question, how do you become an medical aesthetic doctor?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
In Singapore, you are required to go through your medical training.
Okay.
So that's in the medical school. After that, you do your general rotations in the public hospitals. Wait. When you
do your studies in medical school in Singapore, right? How many years?
Oh, I went to Sydney.
Oh, you went to Sydney to study. So how long?
So that was 6 years.
6 years?
Yeah.
So same as Singapore, right?
Singapore is 5 years.
5 years.
But
okay,
I got to spend 1 extra year with my wife, the then girlfriend. But
so that one is your personal reason. Okay. So basically it's 5 years, right?
Six
years.
for me, yeah.
6
Singapore
for you.
is
Okay, 6 for you. It's because you spent
because
extra
there's
1
an
year.
extra research year.
Oh,
When we
I thought you spent that extra year with your girlfriend. No.
No. That was just.
Okay, you were there with your girlfriend, basically, and then now wife. Okay, all right. Okay, now the thing is, so you spent 6 years in Australia.
Yes.
Then after that?
After that, came back to Singapore. You go through your general rotations.
I see.
Where you learn about the different specialties.
Oh, okay.
And from there, you may choose to specialize after that.
How long is that rotation?
Rotations usually about 3 years. 3 to 5 years.
Oh wow! Okay.
I actually never thought of doing aesthetics because it's not a traditional route that most people go to.
Yes,
and there's a certain hurdle to pass through.
Oh, what
because
kind of
I think when you are exposed to the normal doctoring stuff, you prescribe medicine, all this, you don't actually touch the people, you don't touch clients, you don't touch people's face. So when it comes to aesthetic treatment, you will be thinking like, what if I do something wrong with the face? Immediately the person can tell, and then so there's a hurdle lah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was because of a chance meeting that I had with some of with a group of friends. Then they encouraged me to pursue. So from there, because it's a combination of art and science, which got me hooked onto aesthetics.
I see. Okay. So once you decided on embarking on this route, right? Do you have to go and take extra classes or lessons or certification?
In Singapore, we have to go through the certificate of competencies. So those are the theory and practical parts of treatments such as Botox, fillers, and machines.
Okay.
But besides that, actually the most important is you need to practice a lot. It's like drawing or music, you need to keep doing it.
Okay.
So from there, I actually went to Korea to have training. So things like thread lifting, fillers, injectables are very popular there.
Yeah.
So we learn a lot during the one-to-one attachments.
Okay.
And the other course that I went for was the American Aesthetics Academy. So that one also gives a very good overview on how to handle different conditions.
Alright.
So,
okay. Yeah. So how long did the whole process take before you started your so-called your kickstart your career in the aesthetic side?
How long the training? Training took about 1-2 years.
1-2 years. Okay. All right. So
but then again, because the technology is constantly evolving, every day we are learning something new and comparing with what we already have to see what is a better treatment.
Okay, so it's a continuous learning journey, I guess.
Yes.
As an aesthetic doctor, right? Okay. All right. Okay. Yes. Joanne Bong says, "Wow, looks more pretty. Is it looks more pretty?" Yes. Alice Sim says, "I want to do laser. Will make an appointment." Okay. How do you make appointment? It's really simple. All right. All you need to do is click on the link in the pinned comment that will lead to the WhatsApp chat. You can book your appointment there. At the same time, you can also do a walk-in. We are located at AMK HUB, hex 03-26B. Jasmine says, "I want to do thread lift. Will make appointment as well."
Okay.
Wow.
See you, Jasmine.
Okay, great. Yes. All right. Continue to ask questions because Dr. Xiao is right here with me. So Dr. Xiao can actually answer, some of your skin problems or skin condition. Okay. Right now, just now we mentioned about using laser, right, which is great for like pigmentation removal. But we are actually using heat to suppress the production of melanin. Am I right?
The laser energy, it actually helps to break out the melanin and prevent new ones from forming.
I see. But when we do this treatment, right, sometimes the skin might get slightly irritated redness or dryness.
People with sensitive skin that can happen.
I see.
Or sometimes the skin can be you can feel dryness after a period of time.
I see.
So usually we complement with hydration
Okay.
and also recovery treatments like the ones that you've seen.
I see. Okay. So would you like recommend any or prescribe any products that clients can bring home after the laser treatment so that they can actually apply in order to just calm the skin down and all? Yeah. Maybe you can take a look at some of the products because I'm very keen to take a look at them.
The two of them that we used just now is what we have over here.
Okay.
So this is the HA Firming Boost.
All right.
And this one is the
Dr.
Ultra
Glow
Benefit.
Ultra Benefit, right? Okay.
So this one is more for pigmentation problems and dull skin.
Dull skin as well.
So there is antioxidant inside,
okay,
which help to combat the skin aging.
I see.
And helps to brighten up the skin. Yeah.
And this Dr. Glow Ultra Benefit is going at $180.97 with free delivery. Okay, and this actually helps clients with pigmentation problems and saggy skin and dull skin as well, right? Okay, this actually helps to firm up your skin. So, viewers, if you would like to order this product, it's really simple. All you need to do is click on the link in the pinned comment that will lead you to the WhatsApp chat. You can actually make your purchase there. Okay, let's I want to see the texture. So maybe Dr. Xiao, you can help me with this?
You can try.
Okay, so
press.
Press. Okay, very interesting, the application. How you pump the product out. Okay, a little bit on my hand. Okay, let me feel the texture. It absorbs very well into the skin. Yeah. See? And doesn't feel oily at all. It doesn't feel oily at all. Yes. Let me see. Okay, very comfortable scent as well. Yeah. Okay, some of the benefits would be just like you mentioned, it has antioxidant in this as an ingredient, right? Okay, and this antioxidant actually helps to provide protection from UV as well as many pollutants that contribute to premature aging. And it helps to actually brighten the skin.
Yes.
You mentioned, right? Brighten the skin, even out the skin tone, especially for dull skin. And it's an excellent moisturizer to combat hyperpigmentation. Okay, wow. Yeah, I love the texture because it absorbs easily into the skin and at the same time it is non-oily. Yeah. So for people with oily skin, they can benefit from this product. Okay. All right. Yeah. And there's I understand there's firming peptide as well, right? And it actually helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines as well as crow's feet. Okay, and it smells really good. Okay, and Dr. Xia, how do we incorporate this into our skincare routine? Like, do you use it in the daytime or nighttime? Once or twice? When do we use this?
Okay.
Yeah.
Normally after laser, we would say you can apply it twice a day in the morning and night.
Okay.
Then after that,
this is like a moisturizer?
This is like a firming and depigmentation antioxidant.
I see.
Yeah.
So you use this after toner?
You can use this after, yes.
After toner, okay. So use it twice a day?
In the beginning after laser, twice a day.
Twice a day.
And after
morning,
that, just at night.
At night, okay. Alright. And how long does a bottle last like this?
Usually 1 to 3 months.
1 to 3 months.
Depending on how
frequent you use.
How frequent and how much you use.
I see. Okay. All right. It also depends on how bad your condition is. Okay. All right. And this is going at $180.97 with free delivery. So, viewers, if you are interested to purchase this skincare product, Dr. Glow Ultra Benefit, right? All you need to do is click on the link in the pinned comment that will lead you to the WhatsApp chat. You can make your order there. And of course, at the same time, if you would like to make any booking appointment with Dr. Xiao, you can also click on the link in the pinned comment that will lead you to the WhatsApp chat as well. We're going to run a poll right now. At what age does aging start for you? Okay, we have a few options, right? 16, 18, 21, 25. So you choose the number that, the age that best describes your aging condition.
Actually, once you're born, you start to age. Yeah.
Dr. Xiao mentioned that once you're born, you start to age already. How come? Is it because of the lights in the room, the exposure to the, the elements of the environment? Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, we also have another item. Okay, which is this Dr. Glow HA Plus Firming Boost, right? Okay. It is going at $180.97 with free delivery as well. Dr. Xiao, what is this good for?
This one, yes, as the name suggests, the HA. So the main ingredient is the hyaluronic acid, which is very important for hydration.
Oh, yes.
So as we age, we lose the HA molecule. That's why the skin becomes dry.
So that means in our skin, we also have HA, hyaluronic acid.
Yes. Then as it slowly, because they hold on to the water.
Yes.
Then if you lose HA, then you lose water. So if you have HA, you have water.
I see.
So this one helps to replace the HA. Helps to hold on to the water. And it's very good for people with dry skin.
All right. Okay. And of course, talking about the product, we know the benefits, but we need to try the products again. So can I try this? Okay. So, I shall try it on this hand right now. Yep. Okay. So it's actually transparent. No color. Okay, just going to put a little bit, and I'm going to just apply it on my hand. And again, it absorbs very fast into the skin. Okay, it doesn't feel oily. Okay. Yeah, I actually can feel like cooling effect on the skin. It's because it is very hydrating, right?
Very hydrating,
yeah.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. So for this Dr. Glow HA Plus Firming Boost, right, it actually delivers immediate and long-term hydration. All right. Also, it helps to smoothen out the skin, right? Okay. All right. We have the poll results coming out already. At what age does aging occur? Most people, 67% says 25, age 25, followed by 33% says 18, and of course, the rest are okay. So is that Dr. Xiao already said aging starts at age 0.
Sorry,
yeah, once you're born, you start to age. Okay. All right, but I think it's aging is a inevitable process, but more importantly is we age gracefully. Right? So how to age gracefully, to me, it's really coming for lasers and all the other aesthetic treatments so that I can age gracefully. All right, and just now we actually we featured the 4-step Imago signature laser and light therapy, and that is first trial is going at $48. Yep. Okay. All right. Now let's continue with this Dr. Glow HA Plus Firming Boost, which I tried on my hand just now. It actually helps to calm down redness and irritation, right? After
because of the hydrating effect.
Yes, and that is the one that the just now your assistant actually applied on the patient's skin, right, during the step 3 serum infusion. Yeah. Okay. Yep. All right. Some of the active ingredients, like what Dr. Xiao mentioned, is the hyaluronic acid, and we also have this snow mushroom extract as well, right? Interesting. Okay. Snow mushroom. Okay. All right. We also have protective botanicals, and all this actually helps to give you this hydration, and at the same time anti-aging benefits. Okay. And how often, again, like how do you incorporate this in our daily skincare routine?
Similar to the our Triflow.
Similar.
So
okay.
This one will be more for clients with pigmentation issue. This one will be more for clients with dryness issue.
Issue. Okay. Can I use both?
You can.
Okay.
You can. Yes.
Can as well.
For pigmentation and dry skin.
So if let's say I want to use both, this will go first.
This one I'll put this one.
Oh, you will put this one first. I see. So we apply this, which is the Dr. Glow Ultra Benefits first, then followed by Dr. Glow HA Firming Boost. Okay. And how often again do we apply them?
Twice a day at the beginning.
Okay.
Then after that, you can just do at night.
I see.
After about 5 days.
Okay. Again, how long does the bottle last?
Similar. About 1 to 3 months.
1 to 3 months, yeah. Okay, so viewers, if you are keen to get the 2 products, all you do is click on the link in the pinned comment that will lead you to the WhatsApp chat. You can actually make your order there. It comes with free treatment, free delivery, not free treatment, sorry. Okay, and of course at the same time, if you like to book any appointment with Dr. Xiao, or if you like to go for this Imago signature laser and light therapy treatment, you can also click on the link in the pinned comment, alright, and make your appointment there. Of course, if let's say you you just want to come down here, you can do a walk-in, no problem. Imago Medical Aesthetic Clinic is located at AMK HUB, unit number 03-26B, and that's where Dr. Xiao is. Okay, alright. So let's ask Dr. Xiao some more questions. So what are the some of the more interesting stories that you come across when patients come in and consult you?
Interesting,
Yeah.
Wow.
Any interesting things? Yeah.
Many. I think everyone in a sense has their own interesting stories.
Okay.
There are some that will come in with a specific request that is a little bit different from
others. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Any very interesting requests?
So far.
So far okay.
So far okay.
Yeah. Okay, alright. No special requests.
I think in Singapore, because we are more, in a sense, because MOH regulates the treatments that we can do, and then the safety guidelines. So our scope of work is still quite well defined.
Okay.
So yeah.
I see. Alright. What gives you the most satisfaction in your course of work?
I would say the balance. So I find aesthetic work a very balanced job. Balance between the science of knowing the biology and then also the art, where you can sort of paint the person's face or body.
I see.
Also a balance between getting to know clients in terms of their backstory, their social, and also balance to do the procedural work.
I see. Okay. Alright, now this question. What is the most painful part of your work?
Painful?
Yeah.
For me or the client?
For you.
Because I poke them.
Client, no pain. Laser is okay.
Painful part would be having to try all the treatments myself first. So you have to go through all the different treatments.
I see. To feel it for yourself first, right?
In the beginning, when you do, you'll be like, I don't want to get needle poke. But after a while, just like when we did thread lift, we introduced thread lifting. You have to know what it feels like.
So you went for thread lifting before?
Not just a trial on
What? Both sides
Both sides have to do.
You say try, I say one side only.
You can tell people, because before that you'll be like, no pain, no pain. Then after you do, you'll be like, pain.
Yes.
But
so
the result is there.
Yes.
So at least you know.
The results is there, then I mean, no pain, no gain. Okay. So what is Imago Aesthetics to you?
To me,
because you're the, you're the doctor here.
I think it's a place where I can be a positive influence to someone's life.
Okay.
I see, at the end, my take on beauty is that it's not really the physical. I'm helping you with the physical outlook and appearance.
That's right.
But anybody who walks in here and has a smile on their face, to me is beautiful. So that is what I want to, how I view beauty. I'm just here to help you enhance, but the beauty is actually defined by you.
And what age do you decide to become this ambition to become a doctor?
About 3-4 years old.
Oh wow!
I think that
really?
time,
Wow.
the time my grandmother had diabetes, and then she lost her sight.
Oh.
So to me, I got exposure to doctors and nurses at quite a young age.
I see.
And I was quite aspired to, yeah.
Okay, I see. So that's where you decided that at 3 to 4 years old, you decided to become a doctor.
Yes, at the back of my mind. Yeah.
Wow, this is amazing. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, Imago is the definition of stage of maturity, and using the state of art beauty treatment, it helps to transcend you to become a beautiful butterfly. So in Imago here right now, okay, beauty is actually made available and affordable for every man and women. Yes. Okay. All right. So here is there like any what's the most memorable treatment for you then?
Memorable.
Yeah. Skincare, skin treatment. Which one do you think is the most memorable one? Like, first time when you need to like treat, or when you when you're being trained, right? Yeah. Which one is the most memorable one? When you go through the training.
When we went to Korea, they were quite aggressive.
Aggressive, was it?
So the way that they do it was very just poke and push and tug of war kind of.
I see.
So their kind of training was a little bit quite shocking at first.
Okay.
But to me, I think memorable is not more of the treatment, but the reaction that I get from the client.
The clients when they
come
see
for
the results, is it?
Yeah.
Right.
So whenever they come to do a treatment, they come back for review. I see them say, "Wow, very good, very good." Or my friends say, "Wow." Then that makes me very happy.
Okay. So you have like passion in your work. Yes. Okay, all right. Yes, today, I'm so glad that I have a chance to talk to Dr. Xiao from Imago Medical Aesthetic Clinic. And just to do a recap for our viewers, what we did was we actually talked about the different skin conditions and some of the the treatments that viewers, you can actually come for your just to elevate some of the skin problems. So here maybe Dr. Xiao, can you run through with us what are some of the treatments that you offer in this clinic?
So any treatment that can help to improve the appearance of the face, the body also.
Body as well,
But non-surgical treatments.
Okay. All right. So here we take care of you from basically head to toe. All right, for the face, for the eyes, as well as for the body. So for body wise, you guys can do like some
body. We have body contouring, body tightening, stretch marks.
Stretch
fat
marks.
freeze.
Fat freeze as well. Okay. All right. And of course, at the same time, what we did was we did a demo on Imago Signature Laser and Light Therapy. That is first trial going at $48. So it's a four steps, right? The first step is cleansing, followed by the laser, toning laser, serum infusion, then followed by LED light treatment. And of course, Imago, they are very caring in a sense that they actually included applying the sunscreen as well as like the final, touch up before you step out of the clinic. And at the same time, we also featured 2 products as well. We have the Dr. Glow Ultra Benefits, and this is meant for
the pigmentation
and firming. Okay. And this is going at $180.97 with free delivery. Okay. And also this product, which is the Dr. Glow HA Plus Firming Boost. This is actually for
dry skin.
And
also firming as well.
Firming as well, right? For hydration. This is also going at $180.97 with free delivery. So, viewers, if you like to book an appointment with Dr. Xiao, all right, or if you like to book the treatment, which is the Imago Signature Laser and Light Therapy treatment, or if you would like to purchase any of the products that we feature today, all you need to do is click on the link in the pinned comment that will lead you to the WhatsApp chat. You can make your booking, you can make your purchase. But of course, if you like to visit Imago Medical Aesthetic Clinic, we are located at AMK HUB, Hex 03-2 26B. Okay, and I think we are coming to the end of our live streaming. So thank you, Dr. Xiao, for
Elaine.
spending this time with me. All right, and of course, thank you, viewers, for staying with us as well. We hope that you guys get your answers to some of your skin conditions, skin problem, and we do, hope that you can actually book an appointment here with us so that you can get, customized consultation with Dr. Xiao as well. Okay, all right. So do visit Imago Medical Aesthetic Clinic located at AMK HUB, unit number 03-26B to find out more. Once again, I'm Elaine and this is Dr. Xiao. Thank you, Dr. Xiao.
Thanks, Elaine.
As well as, the clinic for hosting us and letting us know so much about, what goes on behind the scene. So thank you so much. So viewers, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and, we will see you another time. Bye.